Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. I know it's been too long that we haven't connected. So today I'm going to elucidate the benefits of certain seeds in our diet, why it is important and how you can add it in your daily diet और किस फॉर्म में आप ले सकते हैं and what are their benefits. I'm going to show you. So here are certain seeds as you all can see. I'm going to explain one by one. So some people have asked me to share the video on this, hence I'm making this video. Hopefully it may help you. So here are the seeds. So these are the flax seeds. As you all can see, these are brown in color and it is mostly known for omega-3 fatty acids. So it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium. So people who are non-vegetarian, they can get it from fish, poultry और chicken हो गया. But people who are vegetarian, उनके पास options कम रहते हैं. So they can opt for flax seeds and add flax seeds in their diet for maintaining HDL cholesterol. So it is very important that you are adding omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in your diet because it helps in weight loss and maintains your HDL cholesterol level. So how you can add it is you can just grind it in a mixture और उसका एक fine powder form में आप उसको बना लीजिए. Then you can have it after your lunch, half tablespoon or 1/4 tablespoon with the warm water. और you can add it in the buttermilk. अगर आप जब भी छाछ लेते हैं लंच के टाइम पे तो उस पर आप ऐड करके ले सकते हैं. Then these are the chia seeds. As you all can see, these are grey and white in color, and these are again it is very beneficial and have massive amount of nutrients in it. So chia seeds again rich in protein, fiber and calcium. Also it has omega-3 fatty acids. So you can just overnight आप उसको soak कर दीजिए water में. So make sure if you are soaking it overnight तो आप उसको रेफ्रिजरेटर में रखिए. एंड इफ़ यू आर सोकिंग इट इन द मॉर्निंग तो आप उसको 1 to 2 आवर्स के लिए सोक करके नॉर्मली वाटर सीव करके आप चिया सीड्स नॉर्मल वाटर में ऐड कर सकते हैं. Or if you want you can add a lemon, few drops of lemon to it, which is again aids in weight loss. Or you can add it in your fruit toppings और smoothies और juices में आप इसको ले सकते हैं. Then these are sunflower seeds. These are again a very good option to be added in your diet, and as it is rich in vitamin E and magnesium and selenium. People who are having thyroid problem, so selenium उन लोग को बहुत important होता है diet में, so they can add these seeds in their diet. Also it prevents vitamin E prevents the colon cancer and cardiovascular diseases. So again it is a very good option. So you can जस्ट हैव इट रॉ. इसको कुछ सोक करने की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है और ना ही इसका कुछ पाउडर फॉर्म में लेना है. यू कैन जस्ट हैव इट रॉ. और आपको चाहिए तो जब भी आप नट्स खाते हैं, जब लाइक आलमंड्स, वॉलनट्स, यू कैन हैव इट विथ देम. और यू कैन ऐड इट एज अ फ्रूट टॉपिंग्स और स्मूदीज़ में आप ऐड कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू वांट. एंड दीज आर द these are pumpkin seeds, and this is small in size but this is packed with lot of nutrient guys. So because it is rich in calcium and fiber, also it is rich in unsaturated fatty acids, which is again very important for your health. Then it is again rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which will help in weight loss and maintains your cholesterol level. So it is very important to adding sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds in your diet. So this again you can just add it as a fruit toppings ले लीजिए या फिर nuts के साथ आप इसको ले सकते हैं. So last but not the least, these are my favorite basil leaves. जिसको हम सब्जी बच्चा कहते हैं. So it is again very important. It helps in maintaining your blood sugar level. और हम लोग का तो डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक है उसमें बहुत हेल्प करता है मेंटेन करने के लिए. और ऑल्सो इट हेल्प्स इन वेट लॉस एंड कॉन्स्टिपेशन. सो पीपल हु आर हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंट और मतलब ऑफन कॉन्स्टिपेशन का जो प्रॉब्लम रहता है लोगों को, they can add it basil seeds in their diet. So you can just soak it like chia seeds. इसको पर ज़्यादा टाइम सोक नहीं करना पड़ता. You can just soak it for half an hour or 1 hour. That would be more than enough. And then you can add it in the with the normal water. उसको ऐड करके आप 1 tablespoon ले सकते हैं. और इफ़ यू वांट लाइकवाइज अदर सीड्स यू कैन एड इट एज अ फ्रूट टॉपिंग्स. और जो आप मिल्क लेते हैं ठंडा दूध उसमें आप इसको ऐड करके ले सकते हैं. So it is very advisable to add it in your diet. So here were a few benefits and uses of seeds. Hope it was very useful for you and you guys liked it. And I'll be sharing more such topics in my upcoming videos. Keep following, keep sharing and keep supporting. Bye bye. Have a nice day.